Hey, what's up, everyone that watched this video here for Wednesday, February 23rd. SPY, another red day. The Dow was down almost 500 points. It was weird though, because I love those snapback plays that are getting downside shape. Some people call them waterfalls. Some people we call them PFPDs in our chat room, which stands for potential final push down. But most stuff was grinding lower, and you didn't really get that shape change where you could look for that snap back. So there wasn't that much that I could find. I think I took one trade all day and did the day green, but I feel like I should have done better. Anyway, what are we watching for tomorrow? DWAC had the gap up on Truth Social going live. Man, I think in after hours, I should say pre-market, sorry, it went to almost 140, but came all the way back down and opened at 98.16 and ended up closing down at 92.90. Still had nice volume and closing off of its lows. I think it's worth watching for the next week or two, right? So I'm going to keep my eyes on it. TWLO finally put in a green day. I saw a nice setup in it this morning, didn't catch it. It's a gap down bounce play setup. But anyway, we do have a green day, so I'm going to watch that too, possibly for a possible long. Now that it maybe found some support. Again, I'm a day trader. I make my money between the bells. Keep that in mind. So these are all possible trades tomorrow. PALT, great relative strength compared to the market. We'll see if it gives a follow-through setup tomorrow. IRNT, kind of a sleeper, but big volume back here. Straight sideways for a couple weeks and starting to curl back up. I'm going to put that on long watch. GRIN had the big rip 3 sessions ago. Then a red day, then a gap down today, but a strong day. So I'm going to put that on long watch. CFVI, I'm not sure if this should be on watch. I guess if DWAC gets going, this is a decent bounce play. This is the Rumble SPAC. Geez. You know what? I'll probably put it on a chart. I'm going to take it off the list. It's definitely oversold to the downside, so I wouldn't try to talk you out of watching it, but I'm going to take it off the list. UPST had the gap up on earnings, gapped up the next day, but now you've got 3 solid days in a row, down to the 8 day. So a pretty good setup for a turn back up, especially if the market finds some footing. AFRM, excuse me, I've been telling you, I want an afternoon high of day break, right? On Friday, we didn't get it. It came close. Today, put in its high early again. Looked like maybe we're going to get that afternoon break, and it rolled over again. So I'm just going to keep it on watch until I get that set up. No trades in it today. Overstock.com, OSTK, just straight down from 55 down to about almost 35. Just recently took out a recent low. Also a good potential snapback setup. So I'm going to put it on a chart. PLTR, same thing. Really beating up stock. Just looking for a possible reversal tomorrow. INDO, baby oil play. Not baby oil, but low-priced oil stock. Big rip, but closing well off its highs. Definitely keep that on watch tomorrow, especially if oil's strong. Crocs also found some support. We talked about the $80 area might give some support. Put in a green candle. We'll see if it gives a follow-through day tomorrow. That's CROX. And lastly, SKYH actually put in a pretty good day, closing off its highs, but we're going to watch that one tomorrow too. And I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to keep it short and sweet today, and we'll see you guys in the chat room in the morning.